Welcome to my candy tree video. Well, we're gonna be making candy trees. Stay tuned. Alright, I hope everybody is having a great day and a happy holidays. We're gonna start off with that, okay? So, let's go ahead and get into materials. First, you're gonna have your tree, and then you're going to have your candy. I was gonna use the E6000 glue, did not work at all. Y'all are gonna see in a second. That junk did not work. But we got Jolly Ranchers, Snickers, candy canes, and I think that's it. Sorry if you hear Loyalty. Sorry. Shh. Sorry.
Come on.
So here I'm just taping the bottom of the candy cane up and flipping it over to the side. It helps it to be more the shape of an actual candy cane, and in my opinion it looks better, but it is completely optional. You don't have to do it, but when it comes to like sticking the candy cane into the tree or just how it looks, I think it looks better.
This Christmas the fireside is blazing bright, and we're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be.
Alright y'all, so here's this whole E6000 fiasco I was telling you about. And there she goes. And that right there is why I stopped with the E6000 and switched over to glue and just placing the candy canes inside of the spaces in the tree.
And we're caroling through the night. A very special Christmas will be so special for you and me. Yes, it will be. Oh, shake a hand.
Sorry y'all, this bag was ridiculously hard to open. I just cut it. Alrighty, so now we're at the actual gluing part. You gotta get your hot glue gun hot and ready and have your glue sticks on hand. I use clear hot glue sticks, mini size, because I got a mini gun. Alright, so we're gonna take your candy, put a little glue on the back of it, and then stick it to the tree. And it's no certain way to do this. You just do it whatever looks right to you. I tried to reinforce with that E6000. I just wanted it to work. It didn't. So we just gonna go with the hot glue gun, y'all. But yeah, just put them however you want to. I'm gonna make this tree again soon. So the next one I may actually try to do a design with it. But this time, just get creative, have fun.
Ho, ho, ho.
And once you have everything filled in as much as you want it to, you are all finished. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Ho, 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 ho.